Our 10 feet canopy kitchen hood. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 120 inches, 10 feet. And a height of 24 inches. With the depth measuring 47¼ inches tall. Coming to the interior of the hood will be 7 removable grease trap oil filters. Each grease trap oil filters can be removed and reinserted onto the track. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Measurements for the interior of the hood will include 120 inches in length by 30 inches in height. Coming to the top center will be 3 light bulbs. Each light bulb will be UL and NSF certified with the certification located on the sticker. Located on the left and right lower columns will be the removable oil pans. Each oil pan can be removed and reinserted onto the 2 bolts holding the oil pan. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming to the back of the hood are 3 lamp bases holding the light bulbs on the other side of the hood. Each lamp base are held by brackets with 2 screws that can be removed with the wiring harness located on the back. Each lamp base will include 3 3/4 inches in length, also by 3 3/4 inches in height. Located on the lower bottom will be the air gap. The air gap will measure 30 inches in length by 12 inches in height. And thickness of the air gap will include 4 inches. There will be 4 separate columns between the lamp bases. Each column will measure 27 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right furthest column, and measurements for the lower column will include 27 inches in length by 15 1/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right lower furthest column. Measurements for the top, left, and right center column will include 24 1/4 inches in length by 9 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right center column, with the lower column measuring 24 1/4 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the left and right center column. Last but not least, we have the brackets located on the top and lower left and right corners. Each bracket will include 2 1/4 inches in length by 2 1/4 inches in height, with a width measuring 3 inches. Coming to the top corner will be the NSF certification for this hood. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.